How are you doing today? This is the 13th episode of Python tutorial series, and if I guess you have watched the previous video, which was the 12th one of this series. So this if you have done that, then let us continue. If you insert less items than you replace, the new items will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining items will move accordingly. Okay. Change the second and the third value by replacing with just one value. In this list we have three what items: apple, banana, and cherry. And then this list of in square bracket 1:3, that means index position 1 and index position 2 items. These two items, I mean banana and cherry, they will be deleted first, then only one item will be inserted, that's watermelon. So when you print this list, you will have apple and watermelon and nothing else. Okay. Insert items. To insert a new list item without replacing any of the existing values, we can use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Okay. Insert watermelon as the third item. The third item has an index position of what? 2, right? That's right. So this is the list. This list equals to apple, banana, cherry. Then this list dot insert method of it takes two arguments, index position, comma, then the item to be inserted, that's watermelon in this case. Now if you take printout of the list, you will have apple, banana, they will be okay, just like previously. And after that watermelon and then cherry, totally 4 items should be, just as I told you. Okay. Note, as a result of the example above, the list will now contain 4 items. This is the thing that I told you. Now Python add list items. Append items. To add an item to the end of the list, use the append method. Using the append method, to append an item, this list equals to apple, banana, cherry, ABC. Okay. This list dot append of orange. So when you take the printout, you will get to see 4 items in the list. The last item will be orange because this has been appended, right? Insert items. So I guess this is repeating. To insert an list item as a specified index, use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Okay. Insert an item has the second position. So second position has an index position of 1, right? Okay. That's why this list dot insert of 1, comma, and the item that needs to be inserted. So after the insertion, this list will be, apple, orange, banana, and cherry. Let's see. Yeah. As a result of the example above, the list will now contain 4 items. Extend list. That's another method. So it's not extending, it's not adding a single item. I believe if you want to connect two lists, then extend method will be quite helpful. To append elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. Okay, add the elements of tropical to this list. This is the list and it has 3 items. The items are apple, banana, cherry. Tropical equals to, now that's another list, mango, pineapple, and papaya. This list dot extend of tropical. If you take the printout of this list, you will have apple, banana, cherry, mango, pineapple, and papaya. Totally 6 items. Okay. The elements will be added to the end of the list. Okay, not in the middle or at the start. At any iterable. The extend method does not have to append lists. you can add any iterable object as well, like tuples, sets, dictionaries. Okay, collection type data. Add elements of a tuple to a list. That's possible. This list equals to apple, banana, cherry, and this tuple it's a tuple containing two items, kiwi and orange. So if you do this list dot extend of this tuple, and then if you take the printout of this list, you will have apple, banana, cherry. After that you will have kiwi and orange. Okay, let's see whether that's the case. Now how much time? Only 6 minutes. Now let's go. Python remove list items. Remove a specified item. The remove method removes the specified item. Okay. Now this list it has three items: apple, banana, and cherry. And then this list dot remove of banana. You do not mention the index. You simply mention the item that need to be deleted, that need to be removed. Now if you take the printout, you will simply have apple and cherry. Remove specified index. The pop method removes the specified index. Okay, so if you do like this list dot pop of 1, then index position 1 like the banana will be out, so we will have apple and cherry. If you do not specify the index, the pop method will remove the last item. Okay, so in this case, the output will be apple and banana. Let me show you. I also need to mention that the pop method also returns a value. It is the item that has been removed. That item will be the the return value. Okay, the del keyword also removes the specified index. So either it has to be like pop of specified index, pop method, or it is the del keyword. Like this is a list apple, banana, cherry, and if you del space this list of then index position, then it actually deletes the, in this case it will delete the first item, so we will have banana and cherry. The del keyword can also delete the list completely. Like if you do del this list, then the list will be deleted, the memory space will be exempted, and you cannot use this list afterwards. So that's it. After the deletion, if you try to print this list, this will cause an error because you have successfully deleted the list. Now clear the list. It is not deleting but clearing. That means getting rid of every item. The clear method empties the list. The list still remains but it has no content. That's all. And so this list equals to apple, banana, cherry. Now if you do this list dot clear method, and after that you take the printout of this list, you will have an empty list like this, a pair of square brackets. That's all. Okay guys, I think it is enough. It has been the 13th episode of Python tutorial series, so I will invite you to watch the next one, which is gonna be the 14th. Okay, until then, have a great day.